What's going on, guys? Today it's a brand new video and I'm gonna cut straight to it. Today I'm going to my first ever car meet and it's 2 hours away. So the start of this video is going to be me getting prepared for it, cleaning the car and changing this to that. So yeah, I've got this off. I thought I'd do it off camera because it takes the piss. Just need to swap it over and then I'll show you it when it's done. Boom. So there we go, guys. The new VXR gear stick is fitted. Yes, it is a 6-speed and my old one is a 5, but it fits. It just looks sick and I'm not forking out £200 for the 5-speed one when that one fits perfectly. Boom. Right then, so the car is clean, so I'm just going to quickly show you what it looks like and the new gear stick, of course. So we are currently on the way and 2 hours away. We're about an hour and 20 minutes away now. Yeah, about an hour and 20 minutes away now. I forgot to start the recording at the start of the journey. I forgot I was recording, if I'm honest. But look at the views. Mental. Not bad, not bad. Catch one on there. 10 minutes away, just had a quick cheeky stop for a wee at Euro garages. I've got no idea where we are, so don't ask, but we're about 10-15 minutes away and I'm meeting everyone there. Well, not everyone, we're meeting at 7 to do a convoy to the place where we're actually going. I don't know any of them, so yeah, might be a bit awkward, might not. Currently in the convoy on the way to the actual venue that we're going to. There's about 20 cars. Looks sick, yeah, I like it.
I was trying to catch up with the Nissan before, 350 or 370. No chance. Is that you?
Yeah, that was me. I saw you do the pop-up. What's the right of face? Watch that. The first one where it's really loud. No, just one comes to voice basically and that's like that. He's wearing it!
And what he was like having a picture, no idea.
Related to sticker bomb, all that.
That took me an hour and a half.
Oh, that's not
Now
that
I'm
bad.
to stop.
Oh, are they?
Well, they're drug races. I was going 50, and like,
It's cute.
it's adorable.
I'm a fan.
Get it in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do the torch.
John, side light to be ready.
Okay.
Oh,